to your channel Live Trades. Today is 12th May 2020. Extremely volatile day for Nifty and Bank Nifty today. There is a big swing of around 200 points in Nifty and 800 points in Bank Nifty. So in this video we will discuss about chart setups and trading strategies for tomorrow in Nifty, Bank Nifty, stocks and commodities. This is TDF X1 system in MT4 platform. You can trade stocks, commodities and forex markets with this trading system. You can purchase this system from tdftrader.com. You will get more than 90% accuracy if you trade as per the rules. Link is below in the description box. This is Bank Nifty chart, 15 minutes time frame. This is futures chart. You can see this was the first candle today. There was a big downfall of almost 800 points from yesterday's close, and this has come down like this, and then by end of session it has recovered entire loss here, and it closed almost flat by end of session. See, there is a big swing because of some news that Prime Minister Modi may announce some economic package. So we don't know whether that is correct or not, but there is a recovery in the market, and by end of session you can see you got a buy signal from our X1 signal. So two consecutive lines in this X1 signal is a indication of a buy signal. And you can see here when this buy signal has come, filter is green, but candles are not green, so there is no valid signal here. The signal has come, but this is not valid as of now. So tomorrow if candles become green, it may become valid. But we have been saying that Bank Nifty chart is in semi-trending mode. You can refer to our previous video. Actual sell signal started from 20,080. So this was the area where sell signal got triggered. So from 20,080, this sell signal is running. It's almost it closed. I think today's low is around 18,230. That means almost around 1800 points downfall has come after sell signal. Even after 1400 points gap down on last Monday. So this is a very big downfall, and you can see in this TDF oscillator, when this TDF oscillator cross zero line here, there will be a first buy signal. When this buy signal is escaped, then we call that as a semi-trending mode. So you can see you got a buy signal, but it is not triggered here. So this signal is not triggered. I'll just zoom the chart and explain you once again. So this was a buy signal, and at this point of time you can see filter is green, but candles are not green here. And this was the area where you have to take a buy position, and even if candles become green, that will be the area where you have to take a buy signal, but that is not triggered. And next day morning you can see you got a fake gap here, and this is only continuous signal here, so there is no entry because already we are short in this one. So we will not enter into this continuous signal, and you can see there is no entry in this one and there is no entry in this one. Already sell signal is running in this chart from 20,080. So this was the area from where sell signal is running here, and you can see HTF indicator is pink here. I just zoom the chart once again. HTF indicator represents higher time frame trend here. Higher time frame trend is it's in pink only, that means it is in sell mode only, so there is no problem for this chart. And even if any green candle comes tomorrow, we are not going to trade into this long direction here unless there is some good news. It cannot cross this particular level. So if at all you want to take buy signal in Bank Nifty, we advise you to wait for some time because it is in almost a semi-trending mode, and it has come very near to starting of downtrending mode. So if today's low breaks out tomorrow morning, it will go into trending mode. Trending mode is absolute trending mode, the semi-trending mode is different, and trending mode is different. So this will be known only for advanced version clients. So if you are having basic version, so do not try to take a long position in Bank Nifty. If at all you want to take a long position in Bank Nifty, try to trade from option side, do not take heavy positions because it is in semi-trending mode. At one point of time you will get again selling pressure. So tomorrow morning if you get a fake gap or a big gap, you can just take a short position and continue the position here because we are expecting this type of movement in Bank Nifty, so it is not possible to get a big uptrend in this Bank Nifty unless you get some very big announcement from government. As of now, there is no problem in this chart. The higher time frame is okay, and filter has turned green, but it is not indication of any buy or sell signal. And the candles are red here. Even if tomorrow if any gap up happens, small gap up, probably candles may not turn into green here, so there will be an opportunity to take a short position. And in this consolidation, if you have observed, there is no fake signal in this one. I'll just zoom the chart once again and show you entire area. So in this particular area, if you have any other software that you are following, if you have any other trading system, you can see there will be at least 5 to 6 buy and sell signals. There will be a sell signal here, there will be a buy signal here, there will be a sell signal here. But in this system, there is no fake signal. So X1 system will not give you any fake signals in consolidations, and you will not be trapped in consolidations. That is the strength of X1 system. We have been saying this particular point in every video because that is most important thing for traders. Traders will lose money when market is in consolidation, and they will make money when it is trending. And suppose let us say, for example, if traders make 1 lakh per month in trending, that 1 lakh entire 1 lakh will go in consolidation, so they will lose this entire 1 lakh in consolidation. So that is the reason you have to select a software which will not give you fake signals in consolidation. So it has been proved again and again. We have been showing you different types of charts and different types of markets. In all consolidations there is no fake signal. So in this chart, wait for fake gap up or big gap up tomorrow and short that particular gap up. And we will see Nifty chart now. This is Nifty futures chart, 15 minutes time frame, and there are 3 signals here. I will explain you one by one. This signal is already explained in the previous video. And see, when this buy signal has come, filter was green and candles are also green, but this particular area was the entry area, but that did not trigger on this day. And next day morning, that means yesterday morning there was a gap up here, and this was the candle on which we have to take a long portion, and this was a value signal because you can see at this point of time filter is green and candles are green. So you have to take a long portion here, and because it's a gap up, because you are entering after a gap up, you have to either put a stop loss below the 30 minutes low of previous day, or Bollinger Band minus 4 spreads here. That means Bollinger Band middle line minus 4 spreads. It is already explained in the previous video. So this particular signal which was triggered here, this long signal which was triggered at 9400, it got reversed at 9270, 9280. And whenever our stop loss sits, we will reverse the position. That means suppose if one lot is long here, we will put 2 lots short quantity at our stop loss level. So this is the reason we tell that we have to put stop loss as double quantity. That means whatever is the loss in this particular trade, that has to be covered in the next trade. That is the meaning of this one. That means let us say if you have entered at 9400, so at 9280 you will keep 2 lots sell order, and whatever is the loss, whether it is 100 points or 200 points or 1000 points also, that has to be covered by Nifty itself. We will not compensate Nifty loss from some other stock. So that is our main strategy. We have explained this in our training videos. So if you don't know this particular strategy, you can go to our training videos and see. You can go to YouTube channel and see our training videos there. This is YouTube channel live trades, and here you can see there is a playlist option here. In this playlist you can see TDF X1 system training videos are there. So please go through that video. We have very clearly explained how to put double quantity and why to put double quantity. So that particular concept we have to compulsorily follow. Whenever there is a loss in any stock or index, whatever is the instrument, we have to reverse the position at stop loss level. So from buy side, here we have come to sell side, and today morning you can see entire loss is covered. And so by end of session you can see there was a buy signal here, and at this point of time you can see filter is green, even candle is also green, but this particular candle high was the entry point. That means you will add for 10 rupees spread in Nifty. For Bank Nifty we use 20 rupees spread, and what is this spread if you don't know, please go through the training video. So here this particular buy signal did not trigger here. So this is an indication to exit your present short position if you have any, because this short signal got triggered here, and if at all you want to have any safety, you can just re-enter tomorrow morning by exiting it, or there is no problem in this particular trend because higher time frame is matching, so you can even carry forward your short positions. Tomorrow morning if green candles come, and after that only we will take this buy position, because with red candles we don't want any breakout of this particular level. So this breakout must happen only with green candle, and higher time frame is still in pink color only, there is no problem. This is important indicator here. So higher time frame is not changing here. So even if there is any fake gap or big gap tomorrow in Nifty, you can just short sell that one. And if it is weak gap and afterwards if it is converted into buy signal, then you can reverse the position from there. So even this is also same. This particular movement has come because of some rumor that some 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs. Some people are saying 10 lakhs package will come from Prime Minister. And if it does not give you any good package, or if there is no encouraging remarks about economy, probably tomorrow morning we will see a big gap down. So everything will depend upon this particular event. So we hope that you have lightened your positions, because before any big announcement or before any big event, you should always be ready with small quantity of position only in the market. So we will wait for Prime Minister's speech today, and if there is no concrete announcement regarding an economy, probably tomorrow morning we will see big gap down, and we will see Nifty and Bank Nifty option tables now. This is Nifty option table. You can see here 9,200 is our first resistance. Above that you can see 9,400 is our second resistance here, and there is a significant resistance here at 9,500 levels, but that is too far. So we will see only first 5 contracts here, and this is our R1 and this is our R2 here. And you can see here at 9,000 level there is a strong support here. See, many people have sold put options on expectation that some announcement will come from Prime Minister. If there is no such thing, 9,000 will break very fast tomorrow morning. If 9,000 breaks, there is no proper support up to 8,800. And this particular option table is a weak option table. There is no strength in this one. Only some small short covering has come today. People who have got very heavy short positions, they have exited positions, they have hedged positions with put trading or call trading, and that is what has happened today. So on the whole, Nifty is in sell signal and Bank Nifty is also sell signal, and Nifty is a little bit stronger than Bank Nifty. So if you get any good news today, probably Nifty may outperform Bank Nifty tomorrow. So try to short Bank Nifty more than Nifty tomorrow. We will see Bank Nifty option table now. This is Bank Nifty option table. You can see here our first resistance comes at 19,000 level here, and above that you can see 19,500 is our second resistance here. So this is R1, this is R2, and below this 18,500 is a weak resistance here. So if 18,500 breaks, it will go to 18,000 level without any effort here. It's a extremely weak option table. I don't know why Bank Nifty has given you 600 points recovery today. But as per this option table, there will be a very big downfall tomorrow if there is no good news from Prime Minister Modi's speech. So let us see what will happen tomorrow morning, and we will see international charts now. This is Dow Jones chart, 1 hour time frame. There was a buy signal here. It is already explained in the previous videos, and same signal is running here. There is no change in higher time frame. See, yesterday there was a pullback, and this pullback is bought. Now it is going up. Let us see what will happen in the overnight session. It is looking like tired chart structure here, but there is no indication of any sell signal as of now. And TDF was will cross zero here. We were expecting a sell signal here itself, but that did not come. So probably it may be in this consolidation for 1-2 days. We will wait for new sell signal and then take a new position. As of now, buy signal is running in this chart. And we'll see Nasdaq chart now. Nasdaq chart now, there was a buy signal here. This is a very good chart structure here. So Nasdaq movement is extremely smooth here. You can see there is no problem in this one. Filter is green, higher time frame indicator is supporting, there is no problem in this one. Candles are also green, and Nasdaq is in semi-trending mode. We have told you many times earlier, so do not short Nasdaq. If you want to short, short Dow only. And we'll see some NSE charts now. First chart is Asian Paints. See, Asian Paints we have been covering every day, and now we are asking you to short each and every pullback here. See, this was the first sell signal from where sell signal is triggered. I think this is 1800 levels. From 1800 now it is at 1500. It's a very big profit here. All pullbacks are being sold into this one, and actually we were expecting a pullback today, but that did not come. This was the first candle of today, so it was directly gap down here. So tomorrow morning, if you get a gap up of up to 1560, 1570, that will be a very good area to take a short position. So wait for a fake gap or weak gap in this one. So if you don't know what is this fake gap and weak gap, just go through our gap trading strategies video. So go to this playlist, X1 System Trading Videos, and click this view full playlist option here, and you can see all the videos in this training videos here. You can go through this gap trading video in Hindi and English also. And this gap trading technique is extremely used for intraday trading. We have been showing you many fake gaps and big gaps every day. And every day, whenever you get fake gap or big gap, you can make instant money in day trading. So this is excellent tool for day traders. So please concentrate on fake gap and big gap. And you can see in this chart there is no problem. From higher time frame also it is continuously supporting, and even filter is also red here. And so there is a lot of selling during this one. So tomorrow morning if you get any pullback up to 1560, 1570, that will be excellent area to short Asian Paints. And next one is UPL. See, actually UPL was in trending mode earlier, and this was a weak sell signal, and after that there was no buy signal here. We are expecting a buy signal tomorrow. So if you get a buy signal tomorrow, already filter is green here. So if you get a buy signal and then if you get green candles here, you can take a long position breakout of whatever is the highest point at that point of time, and this will give you very good profit because this is already in trending mode and it is coming up to consolidation, and this particular new buy signal will give you very good profit. So wait for a new buy signal in this one. If any buy signal comes, then only you take long position in this one. And we will see next stock, that is Titan. See, in Titan, sell signal is running from this level. It is already shown to you many times. All pullbacks are sold into this one also. And today you can see there was no positive movement here. Actually, Nifty was going down, but it was going up here because there was some announcement expected from Prime Minister Modi that all retail outlets will be open, etc. So we don't know what news will come, whether lockdown will be extended or it will be completely removed. But this particular chart structure is bullish. And of course, there is no buy signal here. Sell signal is running in this one. And it is in trending mode, and tomorrow if you get any 1, 2, 3 pattern in this one, you can take long position, and do not take heavy long positions because it is in trending mode, and at one point of time it will again come back to this level. And the next one is Cipla. In Cipla, sell signal is running. You can see this was sell signal. I think this level is, let me see the level here, I think from 602 it is at 572 now. So everything is okay in this chart. Filter is red here, and higher time frame is red. Sorry, pink. That means sell signal is running higher time frame, and candles are red. Everything is fine here. If you get any fake gap or big gap tomorrow, Cipla is the first stock to take a short position. So wait for a fake gap up or big gap up. Even if it is not a gap up, 588 or 589 will be very good level to take a short position. And next one is Havels. See, Havels, sell signal is running in this one. All pullbacks are sold into this one. Actually, it's a very big downfall here, and today also we got a pullback which was shorted here. So tomorrow morning, if you get a fake gap or big gap in this one, take a short position in this one because everything is fine in this one. There is no problem. Higher time frame is matching. It is in sell mode only. Candles are also red, so there is no problem. So if you get any pullback up to 490 or 495, that will be a very good area to take a short position. And next one is Indigo. So Indigo sell signal was running earlier. There was a buy signal here, and this signal got triggered after a lot of consolidation. And if any signal is not triggering after consolidation, that will be a very good signal. So wait for consolidation type of signals and then take a breakout of that one. And see, this is in trending mode as of now. And if you get any pullback tomorrow morning up to 965, 970 levels, that will be a very good area to take a short, long position. And if you get fake gap down or big gap down, that will be also a very good area to take a long position. And in this one you can see higher time frame is matching, filter is matching, oscillator is matching, everything is fine here. There is no problem. It is in trending mode. Do not short Indigo. And next one is Kotak Bank. So this is important chart to observe. Please observe this chart carefully if you are new to this software. And there was a sell signal running in this Kotak Bank from this particular level. This was a sell signal. I think before that we got a sell signal from our X1 indicator. So this was the area where both signals got triggered here. So let me see the level here. I think around 1260. So from 1260, sell signal is running in this one, and afterwards you can see there was a buy signal that got generated here. And at that point of time, filter was green, but candles were red here, so there was no entry. And when this first candle has become green, you have to put buy order above this particular candle by adding spread in this Kotak Bank. So if you have added spread of 2 rupees as per our spread table, this particular buy signal did not trigger here. So this spread is extremely important. So do not be greedy for this 1 rupee and 2 rupee. Do not buy at market rates. So please put the rate exactly as per the recommendations that we have given. And if you have used the spread here, there is no entry in this one. And you can see here continuously sell signal is running in this one. Tomorrow I think result is coming in this one. So as per this chart structure is, Kotak Bank is extremely weak here. Higher time frame indicator is in sell mode only. Filter is continuously red here, and candles are also red. There is no problem in this one. But if you get any fake gap or big gap tomorrow morning, you can take a short position. I think tomorrow results are coming in this one. So if results are bad, it may come down up to 1100 also. And next stock is Vedanta. See, Vedanta buy signal is running in this chart from this level. It's a very good buy signal. It is in trending mode. I don't know the reason why Vedanta has gone into uptrending mode here. Because it's a lockdown is going on, economy is at standstill, but Vedanta has gone into uptrending mode. So we have to think about why this metal stock has gone into uptrending mode here. And whenever any stock goes into uptrending mode, it is not so easy to get a sell signal in this one. So even if any sell signal comes, that will be a very short sell signal. So if you get any fake gap down tomorrow or big gap down tomorrow, you can just take a long position in this one. and you can see in this chart everything is okay, higher time frame is okay, candles are okay, no oscillator is okay, and then even filter is also okay, there is no problem with this one. So remember that Vedanta is in strong uptrending mode. And next one is Escorts. See, Escorts, yesterday we have shown in our previous video, there was a buy signal running in this chart. Actually at this point of time we can see candles were red here, so we waited for candles to become green. This was the area where buy got triggered, and afterwards it has given you very good profit. Though there is a weakness in Nifty and Bank Nifty, it did not fall. It has given you some pullback here. Actually, no, in yesterday's video we told you very clearly that if you get any pullback up to this level, that will be a very good area to take a long position. So today, if you have taken long position, you would have made money today. Even tomorrow also, if you get any fake gap down or big gap down, you can take a long position. Afterwards, if you get any sell signal, valid signal, then we can reverse the position. And next stock is Adani Ports. See, Adani Ports also, there was a buy signal running in this chart. Even yesterday's video also we told you to take a long position in this one if it gives you any pullback. But it did not come to 285 levels. Tomorrow morning, if it comes to 285, 284, if you get any fake gap down, big gap down, you can take long position in this one. And we will see commodity charts now. First one is gold. This is COMEX gold chart, 1 hour time frame. You can see the time frame here, and now it is at 1700. And this chart is extremely important to learn the trading system. I'll just try to explain you signals one by one. See, actually there was a sell signal here. This was a sell signal, and at that point of time you can see filter was green and candles were green, so there was no entry. After candles has become red here, we have taken entry. Afterwards we got a pullback, but there was no fake signal or big signal in this one, so everything was okay. If you have shorted here, we made money here. And afterwards, no, this buy signal has come. So when this signal has come, you can see filter was green, candles were green, so you have taken a long position. So after this long position, it gave you a pullback, and then it went into consolidation, and then it gave you a sell signal. Okay, from our X1 indicator, you got the sell signal. So two consecutive lines in this X1 signal is a sell signal. And but when these two X1 signals have come consecutively, you can see filter is green here. That means there is no sell position that is taken here. And afterwards, you can see there was one more sell signal from our F2 indicator. Even at that point of time also, filter was green. So this particular sell signal which has come here from our X1 signal and from our F2 indicator, it did not trigger here. That means it's a weak sell signal. It should have been bought. If you have bought, you made money. And here you can see there was one more buy signal. That is not a valid signal because already we have got a buy signal. You will not take a continuing buy signal. So in this particular big consolidation, there was no fake signal in our system. So you can see there was only entry from this particular buy signal. So there was no entry from this sell signal. There was no entry from this sell signal. There was no entry from this buy signal. So even in this worst consolidation, there was no fake signal in this chart. Now you can see there was a sell signal that got generated. I think that is forming now. So if it stays there as it is now, even up to the candle close, then only it is considered as a valid sell signal. Then only you will get alert here. So you have to wait till this candle close. Let me see whether it is forming or is it formed already. Yeah, it is forming now. You can see this is the present candle here. So this buy signal will be coming as an alert only if it stays as it is when next candle starts. That means now you have to wait till this particular candle is completely closed here. And probably this candle may complete another 10-15 minutes. So we will try to show you once again before this video closes. So if this particular sell signal stays as it is, now you can see filter is red here. Candles are also red. So after closing of this particular candle, then we can put a sell order here. And we have been telling you that gold will fall extremely fast if there is any good news regarding coronavirus medicine or vaccine. So do not take any heavy long positions in gold or short positions. So try to be careful in gold. Try to take small quantity only. Now we will see silver chart. See, in silver, buy signal is running in this one. This is COMEX 1 hour chart, and buy signal is running here. And this chart is extremely strong here. And you can see filter is continuously green and the candles are green. There is no problem from higher time indicator also. See, gold is coming down, but silver is not coming down. You can see even in silver also there was a very big consolidation that was already explained in the previous videos. So please go through our previous videos. This particular chart structure is extremely good. There is no problem in this one. If you get any new sell signal in this one, you will take a new sell signal. You put the valid sell signal. And then we will see crude oil chart now. And this is crude oil chart. You can see Brent crude 1 hour time frame chart. There was a buy signal here, and you can see there has given you very good profit. We were expecting $32. It has already come to $32 here. And after this particular moment, it has gone to consolidation. So even in this consolidation, there is no fake movement from our X1 system. So this is the strength of X1 system here. So whenever you want to purchase any software or any trading system, you have to see what is happening in consolidation, whether it is giving you any fake signal or false signals in these consolidations. And you can say this is one of the best consolidations. There is no fake signal or false signal in this one. And this particular chart structure is okay. Higher time frame is matching here. Even frame is also strong. But no, it is in consolidation. We will have to wait for new sales signal here. There is no signal as of now. Previous buying is running in this chart. And we will see gold chart once again whether the candle is closed or not. So this candle is still in formation. I think no, this is time is no 5 o'clock means no, probably another 15-20 minutes now it may close. So this signal will update you in tomorrow's video. If it stays there as it is, even after candle is closed, then you will take a short portion below this one. That will be a very good sell signal. So just observe this one. So friends, we have covered Nifty, Bank Nifty, stocks, commodities and international markets in this video, and hope this video will be useful to you. And all our videos will come with useful trading strategies. So subscribe to our channel if you like our videos, and if you subscribe to our channel, you will get notification whenever we upload new videos. We welcome your comments and visit our website livetrades.com for more information regarding live trading rooms and other services. Thanks for watching.